It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this unit right here, and it's the Zury Sis Naturali press texture lace unit in the style Romy. And it's a texture unit, and it is heat safe up to 400, and I got it in the color natural. So if you see this unit and you like it, the video is coming up. It has become my everyday unit, perfect for the summer, but that is not why we're here. But this is what Romy looks like in the natural color, and it's a oh, I like the texture. It is texture but soft, so it's like a soft yaki. And yeah, so for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And this is the parting space, if I can, well, that's the parting space, which is not bad. It is trying to focus on my face, which is not bad. And the lace is not, it's decent. It's not ashy, but you don't get much parting space, so I have to take this one off. I have to take curly fro off. Ooh. 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 But I'm gonna put this one, I'm gonna put Romy on. Okay, I'm gonna take my glasses off. Ooh. Don't you just hit when hair is like on you, on your face? So this is Romy. As you can see right here, it's a little high up. You have to use heat. And that's the hairline. That's the hairline, which it's nothing special. It's pretty basic. If you want to plug it, you can go ahead and do that. But yeah, so far I really like the texture. It's like a, let me see, it's a texture and soft. So like I said, it's a silky yaki or a soft yaki, and I like it. That's where it stops. Nothing special. So I'll go cut the lace and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is what Romy looks like after I cut the lace and I put some heat to it. I use my hot comb. As a wig reviewer, you need a hot comb. It's a must. But yeah, this is the parting space. The parting space looks nice, and I love the color. The color is natural. And I got this from Elevate Styles for $29.99, so 30 bucks. And I love it. It looks like I just got my hair silk press. Silk press. And I like the little swoop, the little side bang, swoopy swoop thing it got going on. And I love the texture. It is really soft and silky and yaki at the same time. Not silky, more likely yaki, but I love it. I mean, with shedding, I got one strand right there, which is not bad because I can't stop looking at myself. Like, you know, I really look good in like side parts. I'm a middle part person, but side parts look good on me. Like, Lee, you need to wear more side parts, you know? I'm just note to yourself. And I really like the parting space. I love it. It's like nothing. I just put my powder, my Maybelline Fit Me 360. Well, I got it in the color 360 powder. I just put it in there and that's it. And it looks really nice. So I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around. Oh. I got stuff falling. But yeah, this is Ava Romy. Like, I like it. I don't have any problem with it. I don't have any con or whatsoever. It's a nice unit. I don't know if I said it, but it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. It is heat safe because I use heat on it. But yeah, so if you're new to this channel, join the family by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. All right, I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.